Hi everybody, we have amazing day to push ourselves again with 10 ways to live a more interesting life. Number 1. Stop wondering, start testing. It's time to start testing. Are you have some things where you always keep thinking and you can't decide what to do? I want to do, I don't want to do, etc. It's time to change this from simple wondering to big, interesting activity. When you start testing, that's where interesting things start to happening. You're always discovering something new who catch your interest. Stop wondering, start testing. It's a great way to live more interesting life. Number 2. Buy that plane ticket. Who loves holidays? I am sure everybody loves holidays. It's time to escape from your boring daily routine and give some pleasure for yourself. Let's open the door to a new culture. Let's add new and more interesting stories to your life, which makes your life more interesting and special. Catch that amazing adventure feeling. If you're still wondering what is the best time to travel, I can give you advice. It's now. Number 3. Face one of your fears. Overcoming your fears? I am sure that will make your life more interesting. Do you have boring life? Not anymore. When you start chasing your fears, boring life will run a miles away. It's time to escape from a cage and move on to a new, undiscovered fear world. Do you want to feel strong blood rushing and super sharp focus? That's what's gonna happen when you start facing your fears. Number 4. Master a skill. It's time to make your life more exciting. Mastering a new skill, it's a great way to do that. You always dream to learn new skill? Now is a great time. Mastering the new skill is an amazing way to grow in your personal life, and especially make your life more interesting. Number 5. Change your style. Your old clothes looks boring? Who loves new t-shirt or shoes? It's a great idea to add new colors and make your life more interesting. Going to shopping center, meeting new people, friends around you will notice your new style. New style means more confidence. Who knows where the new style will lead you? Number 6. Shake up your morning routine. It's time to mess everything up. The most easiest and the most simple is to change a morning routine. You eating the same breakfast every morning. Try to change with something not usual. Traveling to work. Instead using the same way, try something completely different. Something not usual will add more interest in your day. Number 7. Try a new food. Do you want to feel that fresh, tasty lifestyle? We all love to boost our mood with fresh, tasty meals. Diving deep to undiscovered food taste world can be very exciting and scary, but that will bring you a new colors to your life. Leaving your old food habits will lead you to discover new restaurants, get to know a new culture, and meet a great people. Number 8. Say yes if something scares you. One more advice how to live more interesting life. You can say yes on things who scare you. Leaving your comfort zone is a great thing to boost your personal growth, to find new opportunities. Sometimes you don't even expecting to say yes for something small, but if you say yes, on the end you're getting huge pleasure. When you're saying yes, you're overstanding yourself, and I'm sure you're gonna reach bigger results. Number 9. Do something spontaneous. Flip everything over. Do something absolutely spontaneous. Leave your normal thoughts behind you and jump into the impulse decision making. Spontaneous people have a flair for unknown. It's really a good idea to make your life more interesting. By doing spontaneous decisions, that for sure will pick up your interest level. Number 10. Follow interesting people who gives value. You're always wondering you want to do something different in your life? Changing your lifestyle or habits? It's a great idea to follow most famous people who can inspire you. Give that simple push button to open the bridge into a better and more exciting tomorrow. It's amazing to hunt ideas, use them to improve your personal growth. I suggest to check like Richard Branson, Nick Vujicic, Tony Robbins, and many more to make your life more interesting. Thank you for spending some time with us. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.